What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, guess what we're talking about? AMC. As you can see, it's up to $42.50. Today we broke 40 and we were hoping for this to happen. I'm glad that my prediction, the end of my prediction, did not come true to where it did fall back down to 37. We still do have the rest of the day to function. It's like probably 14 minutes from what I'm seeing here. So it's not really that long of a time, so I don't really expect it to come back. Then again, I don't want to jinx anything, so great to see where it is. So we're going to talk about what happened today, where my portfolio is, how I'm seeing a bunch of green when it comes to my day portfolio. My unrealized P&L is obviously not fully green. Obviously you could see with AMC and looking at the overall P&L, yes, it's green, but when you look at some of the other positions, they're not. So let's go through what I'm thinking with this position, what's going to happen, what I'm thinking is going to happen. Obviously, we're going to see it grow throughout this video, but make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links if you want to follow some of my other channels. As you can see, we are about to hit $43 sometime soon. It keeps getting closer and closer. It gets to like a high of $42.95, $42.97. Hopefully we see this break that point, and we did see it break it just slightly there. Anyways, what we've seen today as we were going through the market open, through the pre-market, it looked kind of flat. I mean, it was hovering around 1% up the whole time, did end up increasing to about 2 to 3%, started to decrease a little bit, and then towards the open, it actually started to make a move up. And I loved seeing that, because typically you're going to see a move down right away, and seeing this move up right away and seeing a little bit of a level out, maybe a little bit of a recovery, or a pullback, and then starts to increase again, really made me feel great about the situation, made me feel great about my prediction of it resisting at $40, so $39.90 something cents. Falling back down just a little bit, just a hair, and then starting to really level out. This just looked really, really good from a day perspective. Let's see if we can update this a little bit, because it looks a little bit tight here. The scale looks a little bit tight, but we are seeing this increase as of now. As of maybe 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we've seen this start to really get that uptrend. And just like an hour ago or so, we started to see this make a decent move up to where it did break $40, which was a great point, a great thing to look at. I love seeing it. And it flattened out, created like a little bit of a bull flag here, not really a massive bull flag, but creating a bull flag to where you did see this increase, the level out, and then another increase as well. And we're hoping that we can see something even bigger towards the last couple of minutes. We have about 11 minutes left. And it seems like it's hovering or trying to find a way to consolidate around 42. As you can see, some of my call options are actually up quite a bit, and it looks really, really good from a day perspective. So all in all, was not a bad day. I have my AMC shares, I have my call options, and they look phenomenal. The volume today was 151 million shares worth of volume. You could see that we opened up at 35.35, great number. 35.35 hit a high of 43.10, and we might end up surpassing that in the next couple of minutes. But we had a high of 43.10, and we had a low of 35.14. So now it's 43.28. It's definitely making a move here, and I love seeing this positivity. Love seeing how it's going. Makes me feel really good. Makes a lot of people feel really good, I would imagine. Up 25% is definitely a big deal. Now, you could see some of my, my P&L here. Obviously, we're going to focus on AMC, but you can see that, even ZOM is up, SOS, GME is up. You have Ethereum that's up slightly for me, because I don't really have that much in Ethereum. Dogecoin. You have AMC, the call options, and also AMC. I'm up $8,190 today. So that's obviously an amazing look on it. And we're seeing this even increase, getting close to 44. This is definitely looking like a really good end to the day that I'm loving right now. I'm absolutely loving. I'm definitely seeing some good things. Hopefully we can see something great tomorrow with this position, but I'm getting so distracted by the fact that this is at 44 or close to 44, and we're seeing it get up to some of these levels yet again. I hope we continue into tomorrow, because obviously that's where I'll look to maybe get off my call option there. Don't even let it get to expiration, just make some moves from there. But we'll see how that does play out if it does end up making the same type of move that it made today. Now let's look at some of the Ortex data as we go into this. So Ortex data is showing that we're still around 15% short interest of free float, 76 million shares worth of short volume. Utilization is around 87. You have shares on loan around 95.92 million. But we look at some of the borrowed shares and return shares. We're at a short interest increase, short interest change of plus 0.2%. So wasn't really a bad day, right? Not a bad day. I don't know if you can take these numbers. You have to take these numbers kind of with a grain of salt. We understand that it's not 100% of the data when we look at that data. But it's also not showing us the full picture. It's showing us a painted picture, whatever they wanted to show us within that position. But again, I mean, we can talk about AMC all day and the positivity that we have seen in the last hour or so. But let's hope for a good close and the last 5 minutes doesn't end up falling back down. We hope we can stay level, and then even in the after hours, we can see this increase even more. But that's basically where I stand. I don't want to, tell you, too much of what did happen. We're up about 25%, and by the time you see this video, either we're higher or either we're higher, flat, or a little bit lower. So hopefully we see the first thing happen to where we are a lot higher. But this is where I stand. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. My predictions didn't go as planned today. I thought that we would see, my overall prediction was that we would see a dip down to about I think it was 40 or 33 or something like that, and then increase to about 40, basically 39.90. It would resist and go back down to 37. So I'm glad that my prediction didn't come true. I'm happy with the fact that it went higher. I am 100% loving what we're seeing today, and I hope that we see more that goes into tomorrow. But yeah, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, follow some of my other channels, follow the MP Shorts channel. Make sure you, if you want to become a member, hit that member link down below. I know it's tougher for iPhone users, but hit the member link down below and you'll be able to sign up for the membership and be a part of the live stream when I have my live chats and all that stuff. Also, if you want to check out my Matt's Reacts videos, I just posted a new video today, so check that out. Again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for a lot more videos like this one. And I mean, I just want to watch this. I really just want to watch this to see how it does end. But I'm not going to waste 6 minutes of your time right now just watching the stock, especially since when I do get to close, you're already going to know what it is. So anyways, hit the like button and I'll catch you guys in the next